Raquel, what's your view about the chances of the administration's candidate, especially if Mayor Sara decides not to run for national office? Also, does this administration party consider the presence of multiple candidates an advantage for their candidates, or will it favor the opposition?
I'm still spokesperson. Wait a while. If I leave, ask me again. But I'm still spokesperson. And I think that the advantage of being an administration candidate is you have the entire administration behind you. And I think this was shown in the case of Ma Rojas, no? Whom we all knew was not popular from the very beginning, but managed to finish second, no? After President Duterte. Had he not been an administration candidate, he would have finished fourth. So imagine all the governors, mayors being thankful for the projects that they had supporting the administration candidate, whether or not he's popular. The fact that the number one, there is pandemic now, which makes command votes even more important for the success of a candidate, you cannot discount that even if Senator Bato is now lagging in the polls, that he will find himself number one soon.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.